Hey, what is going on, guys? So I am going to be talking about a shave soap today. Just keep watching. Hey, what's up, guys? First things first, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I talk about beard stuff, I talk about hair stuff, I even talk about shave stuff. Yep, I've got a beard and I still shave. And occasionally I'll find something I think is just really cool and very helpful for me, and I'll even talk about that too. So if you like the way that sounds, hit that subscribe button and you'll know when it happens. Alright guys, like I said in the intro, I'm going to be talking about another shave soap, and I've done a review on another product from this company. And this company's name is Regiment. They make shave soaps, and that's their primary focus. They also do have some really nice beard products. If their beard products smell anything like their shave soaps, it's good stuff, guys. A little bit about this company. They are out of California. They are veteran owned and operated, so thank you very much for your service. I have soldiers in my family, and I have the utmost respect for what you guys have done and what you do, so thank you. Getting into the product here, this one, again, like I said, it's from Regiment. This shave soap, it's named Bravura, which is Italian for bravery. And I love this theme. They have, this company has a military theme through everything that they do. Very cool. They have another variety called High and Tight, referencing, you know, the hairstyle. Really cool theme. I really like it. Very cool theme to apply to like a shaving company, and even beard care. Just a men's grooming company. I really like this theme. It's a really neat theme. And I'll get into the ingredients here. So we've got water, stearic acid, tallow, castor oil. I freaking love castor oil, guys. I don't know if I say that enough. You probably see in my videos, but I got this little love it thing that goes right here. It says love it because I love castor oil. For a couple reasons. I have actually shaved with castor oil, just castor oil, and that's a whole other video in itself, but really cool stuff, guys. Then there's coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, shea butter, sodium hydroxide, a fragrance, and bentonite clay. Just getting into the packaging really quick here. It's got this purple label this time, and very fitting for this one. It does have a nice floral scent, and I'll kind of get into that here in a little bit. It's a 3.5 ounce container, metal tin. These metal tins are great for travel, and I just like it because it's all self-contained. It just makes the whole, for me, I really like using shave soaps out of these metal tins. And it's a twist cap. Take it off. You can see it's a solid white kind of material. If you really look at it, and maybe my camera will catch it here, it almost appears fibrous, like there's little fibers and things in there. It doesn't really, I mean, it's shave soap. It's going to act like soap, and you'll see that here in a minute. But if you do touch it, it does allow you to leave an imprint. So it does have a clay-like feel to it. I'll show you how this lathers. Get your shave brush. Just give it a little spin. Put some spins on it here. I'm getting my lather going. So here we go. We got a lather. Let me show you how this works, guys. This is very cool stuff. Watch this. Okay, so there's the lather off that brush. And I will show you just how nice this lather, and I'm going to show you how I shave here too, but let me show you this lather here. So look at that. I'm just going to spread that. Look how nice and thick. It's a thick, nice, foamy lather. Guys, this is really nice stuff. This is going to stay pretty much like this. It's not going to fade very much at all, if any. This is very nice stuff. I love the experience I've had with these shave soaps, and this one is just super nice. So as far as how this one smells, this has a very, almost like a sweet floral scent, and it finishes very clean and crisp. This is super nice. I've used this a few times now, and you get this very clean sense as you're using it. But yeah, there's definitely a floral note in there, and there's a bit of a sweet note too. It's super nice, and it just has a very clean guy kind of scent going with it here. Just has a very clean finish, absolutely very enjoyable scent. Let me show you how we get this shave going here. Got you on the shave cam here. Putting that lather on. Alright, here we go. guys, so there we go. Just finished a shave with the Bravura from Regiment. Very good stuff. Very fresh, clean scent. Like I said, a little bit of a floral note, but very nice, very soft. Not a very conflicting scent with anything else you might want to wear during the day. Really like this stuff, guys. Very, very good experience. If you have any questions or comments about the product or just what I do, go ahead and leave them down below. Be happy to answer those for you. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.